Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to deposit money into your Vanguard account. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with investing, getting funds into Vanguard is a straightforward process that can help you build your portfolio quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few things ready: a Vanguard brokerage account, make sure it's already set up, and your bank account details handy. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Vanguard website and sign up. It's quick and free. Step 1. Log into your Vanguard account. Open your web browser, go to vanguard.com, and enter your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. It's user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to this. Next, navigate to the Accounts or Funding section. Look for a tab that says Transfers or Add Money. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose your deposit method. The most common option is an electronic bank transfer, which is secure and usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Now, for Step 3. Select Bank Transfer and enter your bank account information. You'll need your routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any delays. Vanguard might ask for the amount you want to deposit and whether it's a one-time or recurring transfer. Fill in the details, review everything carefully, and hit Submit. One quick tip: if you're depositing a large amount, be aware of any daily limits your bank might have, and consider verifying your bank account through Vanguard for faster future transfers. Also, keep an eye on your email for confirmation from Vanguard once the deposit is processed. And that's it, you've successfully added funds to your Vanguard account. Remember, investing involves risks, so always do your research before making any moves. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that financial future together.